My name is Melissa Wilson. You'll have to excuse the background noise. I'm actually at Market Street doing schoolwork and having some breakfast, not toast. Anyway, my name is Melissa Wilson, and I am a senior graduating in May, and my degree is in University Studies with concentrations in general business, organizational leadership, and human resource development. I chose these areas because I initially started out as an accounting major and decided that just wasn't the route I wanted to take, and upon talking to advisors, they said, hey, a university studies degree might be beneficial to you because you want to go into business, but yet you want to have some other skills to run a business. And so I chose those three areas because my husband and I are going to open a business upon graduation or shortly there. He is an electrician. He's been an electrician for 18 years. And he spent the last several years really working hard to build up his book of business, kind of doing some work on the side. He works 40 hours a week for his employer as an electrician, and then depending on how busy the season is, he'll work anywhere between another 20 and 40 hours after his 40-hour job, building his book of business and just finding clients and working on the side. So he's worked really hard for that. We've got a lot of steps between now and then that we need to do in order to open the business, like join some small business associations, take some first-time business owner classes, especially for my husband, because he's really the brains behind the electrical, and I need to be the brains behind the business. So that's why I've chosen those areas of concentration. I've really, really enjoyed them. Probably my favorite of the three is probably human resource development. I really enjoyed the HR classes I took last semester and the semester before. But anyway, so that's the plan, is to use my degree to go into business for myself upon graduation. Outside of school, I watch a lot of Netflix. I go to church a lot. I volunteer. I'm a Sunday school teacher for the young kids. I am a youth leader for the junior high and high school, and I'm also on a leadership team for what they call the SET team, the service experience team. And we just basically do greeting and that sort of thing for different events and for Sunday services. So I really enjoy that. We go to Church on the Rock. We have a wonderful college ministry, so if anybody's looking for a place to plug in here in Lubbock, then come visit us. We'd love to have you. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into making toast. It would have been fun to have some props and kind of do a demonstration, but unfortunately we don't really eat bread in our house. Not a whole lot anyway. I'll buy a little bit every now and then for my kids, but anyway, so I didn't have those things. What you need to do when making toast is gather all of the things that you need. So you're going to need a loaf of bread, you're going to need a toaster, you're going to need a plate, you're going to need a butter knife, and any topping that you plan on having, whether that's butter, peanut butter, jelly, Nutella, whatever. You need to open your bag of bread, take one slice, place it into the slice slot of the toaster. You're going to choose your setting on the toaster depending on how dark you want your toast. If you want it real light, you're going to go closer to the 1 setting, maybe the 2 setting. If you want it darker, you're going to go 3 or above. We typically go about 2.5 in our house for toast if we do ever make toast. So you're going to put the bread in the slot for the slice, and you're going to press the lever down that makes it go into the machine and start toasting it. Once it's done, it'll pop up. You remove the bread, you place it on your plate, and then you can use your butter knife to spread around your topping and then eat and enjoy. So I hope that if you didn't know how to make toast before, you do now. And I wish all of you good luck in this capstone course, and I look forward to seeing some of your other videos and things. So y'all have a great week.